that you kill it. See, I would change my life just fine.
What's up, y'all? So right now I am about to get ready to clean out my stove and my microwave because both of them need it. So I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the stove, how it looks. Well, the oven, how it looks, and we'll get to cleaning. So this is how the oven is looking in the inside. The last time I cleaned it was about 4 months ago, and I try to clean at least 2 to 3 months. So it kind of look bad, y'all. Let me know down in the comments how often y'all clean out y'all oven. Looks, I mean, not the oven. This is how the microwave looks, y'all. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to clean. Okay, y'all, I'm about to get ready to get started on cleaning my oven. But first, y'all, I gotta pop on some music because who finna clean when got music? So let's put on some music. Let's see what station I wanna jam to. Let's see. I've been feeling this 2000 R&B station lately. So yeah, then I gotta put on Troll's Button. And we're gonna clean, y'all. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Shrika, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life. So right here, I decided to get a napkin and get the burnt crumb pieces out before I start with the liquid, so it won't be that much of a mess while I am cleaning. And I use the Easy Off oven cleaner. I used the blue one this time. I had the yellow one, and I can say that I like the yellow better. Comment down below and let me know which one y'all like. My mom used it for years, so I just stick to what I know, okay? Do you remember? Quick break, y'all, so I can drink some wine. So cheers to cleaning out this oven and microwave. And I'm drinking the Stella Rose Black Cherry, I think, and it's super good. But yeah, so let me go and get back to cleaning up. Hold on. But anyway, y'all, back to this cleaning. Birds would sing. Do you remember those special nights? Remember us go on and on in the back of my mind. Birds, oh, I fell in love. You remember the time when we first met, girl. About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to be. You're brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. Every time you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, oh, brown sugar. video, and I hope it motivates y'all to get up and clean whatever it is that y'all need to get clean, whether it's your microwave, your refrigerator, your oven. Let's just get up and get it done. And y'all don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.